Have you ever heard of a fish that is only born once in 1,000 years? It may sound like something out of a fairy tale, but these rare and unique fish do exist. In this video, we'll introduce you to 7 amazing fish that are not only incredibly hard to find, but also have some truly extraordinary characteristics. From fish that can survive in both freshwater and saltwater to fish that can walk on land, you won't believe these amazing abilities that these creatures possess. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at 7 fish that are born only once in 1,000 years. Yeah, you heard it right. Number 1. European Sea Sturgeon. The European sea sturgeon, the Accipenser stereo, is a fish that was once widespread throughout Europe, but is now confined to a basin in France. Only 800 individuals of this species of bony fish survive on Earth. In actuality, this number was acquired from a virtually extinct population of a single pair of European sea sturgeon that were bred to increase their numbers. The species still exists because of the French government's efforts to preserve and expand its population. The European sea sturgeon is a massive fish that may grow up to 6 meters in length and weigh up to 400 kilograms. The fish has a wedge-shaped head and a pointed snout and a sensitive barbell face. This fish's upper body is olive brown and its underbelly is white. It consists of 5 rows of huge bone plates arranged in 5 rows. Number 2. Small-toothed sawfish. The small-toothed sawfish, the Pristis pectinata, is related to rays and skates and is a cartilaginous fish. It is a member of the sawfish family, the Pristidae. All members of this family have flattened heads and trunks, resembling sharks. However, their most distinguishing characteristic is the rostrum, a very long saw-like snout bordered by a row of sharp teeth. The teeth that run down the lateral borders of the rostrum are modified scales, not genuine teeth. The rostrum is utilized for feeding and hunting. This anatomical characteristic is utilized by the sawfish to cut its prey into pieces by rapidly slicing the rostrum from side to side. Additionally, it serves as a barrier against predators. Number 3. Kissing loach. The kissing loach, the Parabodia curtis, is a Japanese fish that dwells in only a few river systems and migrates to flooded rice fields to reproduce. There are perhaps 800 remaining kissing loaches in the country of the rising sun, according to estimates. It is believed to have become extinct in the wild. According to the IUCN Red List, all existing kissing loach populations will become extinct if conservation efforts are not pursued. The kissing loach is a tiny freshwater fish that reaches a maximum length of 6 inches. The body is dark brown and striped with lighter brown. It has a pointed head and 6 barbels at the mouth. These barbels' taste buds aid the fish in locating food in murky conditions. They subsist by scavenging and consuming mudworms. Number 4. Giant sea bass. The enormous gigantic sea bass, the Seriolepis gigas, is native to California, United States. It can grow to be over 7 feet in length and 700 pounds in weight. This fish is orange with black dots while it is young, but as it matures, it becomes bluish-black with larger spots and a white underside. It can also change color from normal to light gray to warn other gigantic sea bass of potential predators. Despite its name, the species belongs to the rakish family. It prefers to ambush prey at depths between 10 and 40 meters on sandy bottoms, kelp beds, rocky reefs, and ridges. It consumes crabs, rays, skates, squid, fish, and kelp on occasion. There's just about 500 giant sea bass remaining in the water, making the species severely endangered. Number 5. Tequila splitfin. The tequila splitfin, the Zoogoneticus tequila, is only found in a small pond near the Tequila volcano in Mexico. They were formerly believed to be extinct in the wild due to their popularity as pets and to exist only in aquariums. However, after a successful conservation campaign, they were successfully returned to the wild in 2014. They can be found in the wild in quantities of 500 or less at present. In terms of morphological traits, the tequila splitfin exhibits sexual dimorphism, which means that males and females may be identified based on systemic variations such as size. Typically, guys have smaller bodies than females. Males are only 3 centimeters tall, while females have a development potential of 5 centimeters. Number 6. Adriatic sturgeon. The Adriatic sturgeon, the Accipenser necari, and the European sea sturgeon belong to the same genus. It inhabits the Adriatic Sea, which is surrounded by Greece, Albania, Italy, and other countries. The length of the Adriatic sturgeon can reach up to 2 meters. It shares similar traits with other sturgeons, such as an elongated body, a partly cartilaginous skeleton, and bony plates that line the body. Moreover, it is diadromous. It is distinguishable from other sturgeons by its color pattern and body shape. Its preferred diet consists of aquatic insect larvae, tiny fishes, crustaceans, and mollusks. According to the IUCN Red List, there may be no more than 250 of these fish remaining in the wild. Number 7. Devil's Hole Pupfish. The Devil's Hole pupfish, the Cyprinodon diabolus, is a very rare species that can only be found in a small puddle in the Amargosa Valley of Nevada's rugged geological formation. At the time of the most recent census, there were approximately 170 of these fish in their area, whereas the previous low count was 35. Researchers believe that this fish's population is increased owing to reproduction, but 170 is still a very tiny quantity. They remain extremely scarce and are classified as highly endangered. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.